Custom exception in Python. To define a custom exception in Python, create a new class and inherit the exception class with the new class. Custom exceptions are also known as a user-defined exceptions. The exception class is the base class for all the exceptions in Python. Here is the syntax of a custom exception in Python. Here we have created a new class and inherited the exception class. Then after in try and except block, we call the custom exception error class in except block. Here is an example of a custom exception. In this example, we check the person age. If the person age is less than 18, then we raise an exception and print a message. The person is not eligible for vote. For that, we create a new class and the class name is invalid age exception. And inherit that class with exception class. Now we call this invalid age exception class with try and except block. Now we declare a one variable and the variable name is age and its value is 18. Now we check the if person age is less than of 18, then raise an exception. Here we use raise keyword with invalid age exception class name. Otherwise we print message person is eligible for vote. Otherwise, if it raises an exception, then we print message person is not eligible for vote. After run this program, you can see in the output message is printed the person is eligible for vote. Because here we are checking if the person age is less than of 18, then raise an exception. Otherwise print a message person is eligible for vote. Here the age value is 18, that's why it printed the else block statement. Now we change the person age as a 15. Now we run this program. After run this program, you can see in the output person is not eligible for vote message is printed. Because here it raises an exception. When it raises an exception, then it directly goes into the except block and print the statement from the except block. Customize custom exception class. You can customize the custom exception class and pass argument in the custom exception class. Here in this example, we customize the invalid age exception class and pass one argument to this class. For that, here we create init constructor function. And in this init constructor function, we pass one argument as a message. Now we call the super function. And in this super function, we call init constructor function. This init constructor function is coming from exception class. And in this init constructor function, we pass message as an input argument. Now we pass one message to the invalid age exception class while calling. Here we pass person is not eligible for vote in the invalid age exception class. We also modify this invalid age exception in except block. Here invalid age exception as E. Now we print this E statement in the console by using print function. After run this program, here in the output you can see person is not eligible for vote because the person age is 15 and whatever message we pass into the invalid age exception class is printed into the output. To read more about Python exception, you can check Program Lover website. Here on this website you will get different examples on custom exception. If you have any doubt, then comment below. Share and subscribe this channel. Till then, happy coding.